Most of the time, you only open this door when you've got a problem. You've tripped the circuit breaker. Maybe you were running a hair dryer and somebody plugged a vacuum cleaner in. You got to open the door, find the breaker, and turn it back on to get back up and running. Let me tell you what this panel's actually designed to do, though. It has two purposes. First of all, you bring the main power into the house, protected by a main circuit breaker, and then it distributes the power throughout your house using smaller breakers. But its more important function is to protect the wiring in your home. Now, how do these circuit breakers protect the wiring in your home? They do it a couple of ways. First one is they detect a direct short. White to black, automatically it'll shut off, turn the circuit off. But most importantly, they detect the load going through the wiring. If that load is too high, the wire will heat up, heating up the breaker, and it'll trip out. Now, the reason there are different size breakers in your panel is they protect different size wire. Smaller wire for like bedrooms, 15 amp breakers. Bigger wire for bathrooms and kitchens, 20 amp breakers. All the way up to 50 amp breakers for major appliances. But if you're overloading a circuit, it doesn't mean you just put a bigger breaker in. That's going to let the wire heat up and you're going to start a fire. Now, the only thing you should touch on this circuit breaker panel is what you see when you open the door. Do not take the cover off and touch anything inside. That's for a licensed electrician. I'm Don Zema with News from the Homefront. Trust me, you can do this stuff.